Welcome to this Kdenlive tutorial. Kdenlive is a free and open-source video editing software that allows you to produce a video from pictures, audios and videos. First of all, create your working folder and add every file you need for your project, videos, audios and pictures. Let's have a look at some basic settings. Here you can change the language. Do not forget to close and open Kdenlive. I like the breeze theme. In the menu view you can display and hide different tools and elements of the interface.
Like a fever taking over, it's burning. You're so stuck in your head, think I'm leaving. In your mind I know that you're hurting, that I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. Go along for the ride, till the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
We will start working on our video editing with these settings. Now, we will create a new project. Click File, New, and select your working folder. I usually choose a profile or video setting that produces a good quality video and the video file is not too big. For example, HD 720p 24 frames per second. Down here, you can set the number of video and audio tracks in your project. Click OK. Now, we will add the files we need for our project. Click Add Clip or Folder. Find your working folder, and select the files you want to. If a pop-up window shows up with a message, I recommend that you click the default option. Before we continue with the video editing, we will save our project. Click File, Save, find your working folder, and give the project a name. Let's check that everything is in our working folder. Here is the Kdenlive project file. Perfect. To start creating the video, we have to drag and drop clips from the project bin to the timeline, inside the video track number 1. We will leave some space right after the intro to add a title clip. As you can see, the last video clip consists of a video track and an audio track. Let's create a title clip. Click Add Title Clip.
but I'll sleep better tonight.
Select the background color and the text properties.
No, it's not right. I sleep better at night.
Click Add Text and start typing the title.
Isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules then. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better tonight.
Center the text box horizontally and vertically. And center the text within the text box. You can change the text properties anytime. Click Create Title and add it to the timeline. Let's check it. As you can see, the transition between clips is very sharp. I don't like it. We will see two different options to improve the transitions. First of all, use the zoom tool at the bottom right corner to zoom in. Option number 1. Fade out and fade in effects. Click and drag the top right corner of the clip to add a fade out effect. And click and drag the top left corner of the following clip to add a fade in effect. Let's check it. Good. Now, the second option, wipe effect. Remove the fade out and in effects and move the title clip up to the video track number 1. Note that to add this transition, the two clips need to overlap. So we will place the title and the following image as you can see. Then, click on the lower left corner of the title clip when you can see a pointing finger and the transition or effect is automatically added. Let's do the same on the lower right corner of the title clip. Then, we will place the cursor before the title clip, press the spacebar and see the result. Much better. We can edit the wipe effect. To do so, we have to display the effect composition stack. As you can see, the default setting for the wipe effect is dissolve. Let's try a couple of new settings. Finally, we will leave it as default, that is, dissolve. Now, we will keep adding clips to the timeline and effects when needed. Okay, as you can see, I have added the images, videos, titles and transitions or effects to my video. And I also added a text clip at the end. Credits are missing, so let's create some animated credits. Click on Add Title Clip. We will leave it with a black background. Set the text properties and add a text box, in which we will type in the title. Let's center the text box horizontally and vertically. And inside the box, we will center the text. Now, we will click the Animation tab. Click Edit Start Viewport and move the Start Viewport up, precisely the height of your text clip, to set the beginning of the camera motion. You can type in the numbers for X and Y, or use the mouse. Then, click Edit End Viewport. And move the end viewport down to set the end of the camera motion. With those animation settings, the credits will move on screen from bottom to top. We can also change the length or duration of the credits. Click Create Title. Now, we will drag the title clip with the credits we have just created and drop it onto the video track, and we will see the result.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared.
It seems to be a bit short, that is, too fast. So, let's edit it again to make it a bit longer or slower.
Anywhere you wanna go, find a place we can hide. We can make it on our own. All alone for the ride. To the stars just follow. You and I side by side, dancing in your halo.
Let's see the result. Perfect. Now, we will add some music. Here we have two music files, one for the beginning and the end, and another one for the center or main part of the video. We will drag the music file and drop it onto audio track number 2. As you can see, this MP3 file comes with an image. To remove that image from video track number 2, right-click the music clip and select Ungroup Clips. Then, we can individually select the video track and delete it. After that, we will move the music to the beginning of the video. And cut it. Then, we will remove the right part of the cut. Now, we will place the cursor at the beginning, and listen to the music, by pressing the spacebar or the play button. The volume is a bit loud, so, we will display the effect, composition stack. Select Effects, Audio Effects, volume and dynamics and double-click gain. We will turn down the volume to 70%, and listen again. Perfect. We will continue to add music until the end of the video. I have already added music and effects until the end of the video. Now, imagine we do not want the audio that comes with a video clip. To remove it, right-click the video clip and select Ungroup Clips. Then, select and delete the soundtrack of that video clip. Let's save our project by clicking File, Save. Finally, we have to create our movie or MP4 file. We will click on Project, Render. Here you can see your working folder and the file name. Let's select the MP4 format and click Render to File. In a few seconds or minutes, depending on the file size, it will end up generating an MP4 file. Well, as we can see, the process is about to finish. Perfect. Finally, let's have a look at our working folder. Look, here we can see the Kdenlive video project file and the MP4 file. That's all for now. Thank you so much for your attention.